Hi everyone, you're welcome to Mary's Lifestyle TV. My name is Mary. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to make this lovely headband. If this is your first time into my channel, you're welcome. Please remember to subscribe, like and share. And for the returning subscribers, thank you for coming back again to watch, and keep watching. So this is the headband which I have made some time ago. This headband is very easy to make, and you can even use your thread and needle to make it. So watch me carefully as we start. So I've got here less than half yard of fabric to make the headband with. So I'm going to be using the width of 7 inches and the length of 18 inches. And I'm going to be working with the length of 11 inches by 3 inches for the elastic fabric. So I'm going to be folding the fabric down into two to go and stitch. So I'm going to run the stitch all the way down. I'm going to do the same to the other one. So the elastic is 6 inches and I'm using half an inch elastic, but you can use 1 inch elastic depending on how big you want the band to be. So I'm going to fold the band as well into two. So I'm going to be taking it to the machine to sew. I'm done sewing. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to... Alright guys, as you can see, I'm done sewing. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right away is to push it out to the right side. So I'm going to take my time and use my hand to push it out. But for the smaller one, I'm going to be using something like my scissors or pencil or whatever that is sharp to push it out. Also, make sure that the stitch is at the center. So I'm going to take it to the iron now and give it a nice press. And when I'm done, I'll bring it back and show it to you. So the smaller one here, I'm going to be using my pin and I'm going to push it out here. You can use your pencil or you can use your pin. I'm using a safety pin to do it. It's very easy. So now that I'm done, everything is at the center like I told you. Make sure the stitch is at the center. So I'm going to be using the safety pin as well to put my elastic on the fabric where it's going to be at the back. Like I told you earlier, you can use 1 inch elastic or ½ inch elastic depending on the volume you want to get. So I've finished stitching both sides of the elastic now, and the volume is looking good. I like the way it's looking. So I'm going to be folding this other strip into two, and I'm going to place the elastic at the center. You need to pay attention to what I'm doing here. So make sure that the two fabrics overlaps each other, and pull away the excess fabric from the elastic so as to enable you sew. Otherwise, you're going to have a very bulky fabric there, and it can break your needle. So at this point, you can take it to the machine and give it a nice stitch. So I'm done sewing, and let me try and see whether it's looking good. Yeah, it's quite good, and I'm very happy with the way it's looking. So the next one now is to put this one through the loops of the other fabric, and make sure that the stitch, like I said, is still at the center. So fold that again into two. Then bring the elastic and place it at the center while holding it, and overlap the two fabric like you did on the other side. Then go ahead and give it a nice stitch as well. The moment of truth. So I'm done sewing, and what I'm going to be doing now is to trim off the excess fabric so as to have a nice edge. So I'm going to be tucking it in, and it's looking beautiful. I love it because when you tuck it, when you lap it nicely, you have a nice edge. So this is coming out beautiful, and it's lapping nicely. I love it. So the headband is now ready. But one more thing, I'm going to show you one tip in case your headband is a bit bigger when you buy, so you can adjust it to fit your head. So depending on how big it is, you just hold it into two like that at the center, and fold it back again. Use your thread and needle and stitch it, or you can clip it by using your staple pin to staple. But the best way is to use your thread and needle to sew. And voila! Your headband is ready. Easy peasy, isn't it? This is gorgeous. So I'm going to be placing it on the website for anyone who is interested in, buying. Gorgeous. Excellent. Bravo, Mary. Well done, Mary. So I'm going to be showing you now the different ways you can use this headband and still look chic. You can style it that way. And then you can wear it as a neckband. Isn't it gorgeous? This is lovely, and you still look cute and you appear African. This is Western Africa. Remember, the other one was above the hair, so this one is underneath. Excellent. Bravo, Mary. You can wear the two to give it volume and keep you warm depending on the area that you are. I love to style myself and accessorize as much as I can, and depending on the occasion to fit the theme. I hope you enjoy watching this my tutorial. Give me a thumbs up. Alright, so we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If this tutorial has been useful to you, please kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share, and remember to click on the notification bell so that when next I upload my video, you will be the first to know. And if there's anything you feel like I should do for you, please kindly, or I should any tutorial that I should share with you guys, so kindly leave me a comment. And trust Mary's Lifestyle TV, I will always come on board to share my ideas with you. That is what I do, and I feel very comfortable sharing my thoughts and ideas with anybody that is interested to learn. Please, one more thing, remember to subscribe. I'm watching you. Go there and subscribe. It's there. Look at that red button, subscribe, and then give me thumbs up. Yes, give me thumbs up. By so doing, it will really give me, you know, the who will get to know me, and they will get to like my channel more because you like it. So thank you so much for joining me, and stay blessed and keep smiling, and you know, check on somebody today. God bless you. Love you. Bye.